In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to filter and save your time totals, headcounts, and variance. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have your enterprise or location selected, then choose Time. Go to your new top menu bar and select Analyze. From the drop-down menu, you can choose totals, headcounts, or variance. I'm going to choose totals. Right now, I am viewing this totals information by the project or task. Maybe I want to view it by project or task for a specific employee. In order to do that, I need to create a filter. So click on Filter, click the arrow, and select a filter type. I'm going to choose Employee, then select a specific employee. I will choose Barbara. To add this employee, click Add. If you changed your mind and you don't want to add this filter, click the close X. I do, so I'm going to choose Apply. And now that filter has been applied. I can see that during this date range, Barbara only worked the one project or task. And I can see how many leave hours she had, how many paid hours, how many billable hours, how many regular hours, and how many total hours. Also notice there is now a blue on next to filter, letting you know you currently have a filter in effect. If I want to turn the filter off, I can click on Filter again, exit off of Barbara, and choose Apply. Now that filter has been removed. The other thing I can do with totals, headcounts, and variance is I can create a specific view. If I click on Views, I can see all of my current views for totals. Let's say that I made the total project or task one incorrectly and I want to delete it. I can click on Delete. TeamWork 5 is going to make sure I do want to delete this view. If you don't, click Cancel. I do, so I'm going to choose OK. And now that view has been deleted. If I want to save my current view, I can click on Save. And then I can choose the grid, which is totals. I can give this view a name. So I will say project/task. If you don't want to add this view, click Close. I do, so I'm going to choose Save. And now that view has been added. That's how you can create and delete filters and views for your totals, headcounts, and variance. Check out the next video to learn how to view your time leave.